Okay.
Running. Okay.
All right.
So this is Lola.
Hello.
And the atlas is misaligned. She has some cervical restriction. Her balance is off. She has a right short leg when we checked her legs. And she can't tuck her head well underneath her wing. Okay. And I'm adjusting her atlas. And also her head is tilted severely to the left. Hi, you.
It's okay.
Hi, you.
A little bit more, just. Oh, there we go. All right.
Well, that's good range of motion right there.
Yeah.
That was good.
All right. No, it's okay, Lola.
All right, so remember you said it was okay for me to adjust you. Yeah, here we go.
Lola.
Here we go. Here we go. Good.
There's a good girl.
Okay, now that's so terrific, but I've got her head nothing straight.
Good girl.
Go.
It's all right, Lola.
I get to the back of the skull.
Good girl.
First word where it is. Okay, feel it. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. That was good.
Okay.
That was good.
Maybe you should take a little break.
Great. Okay. So now, let me see your eyes. See if we've straightened up the... Here, let me look this way. Here, Lola. 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 Here, let me... All right, you know what? Her head's straight now. Can you see that, Mary?
I can see a bit. I can see a
Yeah, there
difference
you
in her.
go.
Yep, you sure can.
Oh my goodness.
You sure can see a
Okay, now
difference.
dogs normally will shake after the adjustment. That was a nice little birdie
Mm-hmm.
shake.
It was
Who's a beauty girl?
All right, so she's turning her head pretty...
better.
Yeah?
You feel better,
Well, she
Lola?
probably has some inflammation.
Down lower, it looks like on this part of her neck, like right through here. See that right there?
Yeah.
It's a pretty girl.
So, out of curiosity, would it be too stressful if we rechecked her
No, not
legs?
at all. I just wanted to
All right. Do you want
give her just a little break. It's all right, Lola.
Lola, can we check your legs again? Can we check your legs?
It's all right, Lola.
Is that okay?
Good bird. Good girl. What a good girl.
Okay for her.
You got her wings
Yeah,
off.
that's all fine.
Uh-oh, where's her wing?
No, her wings are fine.
There we
Can
go.
you tell me when, if that's okay?
You're all right, Lola.
So I can already feel her right leg is more relaxed. Can you see that now?
Yeah, I can.
Good bird.
There you go,
Good bird.
That's a good
You
bird.
know? And who knows, maybe there'll be a better nerve supply to that toe. I don't know. Besides being malformed. All
Good
right.
girl. Yay.